Okay, all the way from Japan. Take a look. Let's see what it is. What do you think? Let's take a look.
It's hard to open.
Okay, you can rip it, buddy. Let's see what it is.
This is.
What do you think?
Whoa!
Oh my goodness, what is it? What the heck?
Apple vacuum. The heck? That's me.
What is it? Let's see. What kind of robot vacuum is it?
We're gonna thank Grandpa for the what the heck.
Oh, see?
What's it do?
It's a picture of it.
It's a picture of it, but what is it? Is it a tape measure Roomba?
Wow!
Whoa! That's awesome!
I have some brushes, cereals, and slime
amazing.
brush.
Is that pretty cool, bud?
No,
Nope, that's it. The rest is just wrapping from Japan.
Oh, man.
Is that pretty cool?
I gotta keep this.
Yeah, you keep all the packaging too, bud. You like
I
it?
can keep this
You can
one?
keep all of it.
Whoa.
Whoa! Are you pretty happy?
Yes.
You like that?
Then come out?
Yeah, the tape measure comes out.
Daddy.
Yes. Okay, let's see it. Can we zoom in on it? Let's see.
I put it in here.
Okay. That's
I
pretty
put
cool,
it in
bud.
boxes.
What's the packaging look like?
It's
Whoa, it's an
picture.
official iRobot one. Cool.
Dad.